Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be doing a product review and it's really heavy. Let me get it over here. It is a dog grooming kit from a company called, and I might be saying it incorrectly, and if I am, I apologize. What's going on with my camera? There, maybe that's better. It is from Frusun, F-R-U-S-U-N. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this big package that I got. Make sure my address isn't showing, but here it is here. I haven't tried it yet. So what I'm going to do right now is do the unboxing video, and then I will continue this video later with, I don't know if I'm going to be able to demonstrate this or not. My dog, my little Yorkie, just got groomed. My husband had just used an old, some clippers and just groomed her down because she was such a mess. But yeah, I'll see what this can do, and I will be able to at least show you some of the things that it does. But here is how it looks when you open up the box. All these attachments and everything. It looks so cool. So I like it so far. All right. So I'm gonna take the attachments out, put this over here, and then this is what we see in here. So don't know, hopefully it's easy to use, easy to demonstrate. I'm excited about it because I do have two dogs and a cat and a bunny. I know this has some vacuuming capabilities to it as well, which I don't quite understand yet. It comes with this hose. So I'm going to have to go through this whole thing and figure it out. I was hoping that I could do this with my husband. And I had asked him, but he works a lot, and when he comes home from work, it's usually, it's usually just dinner time, and then he sits and, either, watches, football or something on TV and, relaxes, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So, I might be doing this product review on my own, but who knows? Maybe my husband will join me. Anyway, I'll get back to you on this. Hi everyone, I'm back. So I want to finish the video on the pet grooming kit and vacuum that I got. So I did try this on my bigger dog, and let me show it to you. All out of the package and done here. Now there's a lot of attachments, as I showed you just a few minutes ago. To me, I got hair in my mouth now. To me it was a few days ago. But to you, it was just a second ago. But I put on the dog grooming brush. So it's a brush, and it's like a de-shedder. So it'll suck up all the pet hair as you're brushing your dog. And I was using it on my bigger dog, which is a English setter. And it worked really well. So I'm just going to demonstrate here really quick on my little dog. Now, if you see my little dog, come here, Brooklyn. She is just a little Yorkie. She has already been shaved down, so she really has nothing to suck up. But I'm going to basically show you how, the noise level. It's really nice. It's really low, and I'll kind of show you how it works. At least the de-shedding brush. So let me go ahead and put the phone down here a little bit so you can kind of see. And let's go for it, Brooklyn. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Let's see if you can see it over here. Kind of want it. She doesn't know what to make of it. My other dog liked it, I have to say, but she's too big to be on my bed. All right. So it's on. And I'm just going to brush her. And she's nice and calm. I don't know if you can hear me, but she's nice and calm, being brushed. And while I'm brushing her, you can see, hopefully, in here, it's like a vacuum cleaner. So it's sucking up any of the hair that's coming off. good. Is that okay? Is that okay? Huh? Do you like that? It's just a brush. Just like when mommy brushes you. That's all. See? Okay. Then I'm going to let her go. Then with the, hopefully you guys can hear me over the noise. It's not loud at all, but I don't know how much you're really going to hear. But you can press this button here and it brings the brush out and you can kind of get all this little hair that's here. This is for my other dog. And then you just stick it in the vacuum to clean it. I mean, here comes my other dog. She wants me to brush her again. Maybe I can get her on my bed and I can go ahead and brush her. Bella, come here. Come here. Come on. I don't know. We'll see if she can get on my bed. So let me get her on my bed, and then she really likes it. So, all right. See if I can get her on my bed. Okay, so I did get the bigger dog on my bed. So I'm going to go ahead and point the phone down and let you see me use this on her. Bella, come here. Over here. Go ahead and turn this on. There it goes. And I'm not holding her at all. You see all that hair there? So I'm just going to go ahead and push this. Look, she wants all the attention in the camera apparently. I'm going to push this, I'm going to grab this hair, and I'm going to push it into the vacuum. So, okay, so this is what I was able to get out of my dog just by using this little machine here and brushing her, and this was just from her back. So I love this. This is a great attachment here. I don't know how much of the video that you actually heard me talking because of the noise of the vacuum, but I mean, it's relatively quiet. It's not that loud, but you know, when you're videotaping, you know, you never know. Bella's still on my bed. She's not allowed on my bed, so she's taking every advantage. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this back on, and you're going to see how I take this stuff off, and then it just sucks right down into the vacuum. So let me turn it back on real quick. I mean, is that not super easy cleanup? Also, they have all sorts of attachments, and if I can find the directions, here is the user guide. Of course, it does all sorts of other things. It has a cleaning brush, a nozzle, an electric clipper, food hair clipper. It says food hair clipper. That's a little confusing to me. Food hair clipper, what? What does that mean? A de-shedding tool, a grooming brush. They have different size clipping combs for, you know, for dog grooming. And I think this here is what you use for the actual, you know, shaving of the dog, the clippers. So let me take this out of the bag. I'm really excited about this. I love it. So I'm not going to demonstrate this. I don't have any dogs that need to be clipped right now. My Yorkie was just groomed not too long ago. And then we have a bigger brush here. And this little thing can also work just, you know, on your clothes to vacuum off hair off of your clothes, the carpet, the couch, just about anywhere. I think this, see, I'm not even sure. I think one of these was supposed to be for toenails or something. Let me see, let me see. I'm going to have a learning curve on this. Nail grinding. It does have, okay, so this looks like it's the nail grinder right here. So there is a way to take care of their nails. I'm not sure if it goes on this or this one. Probably this one. My husband was going to help me with this video, but yeah, I've been asking him for a couple weeks now, and yeah, it has not happened. So I'm just going to wing it. Here's the another nozzle. I guess this can be for vacuuming your couches or whatever you need it for. And my phone keeps going down, 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 down. I don't know. Gosh, this is fun. Okay, what is this? Looks like, oh, another pet brush, a vacuum sort of thing. So to change the nozzles on the hose, it's really easy. You just press this and it comes right out. And then you put the new one in. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. Let's see. You can hear the suction. I'm brushing my dog again, although you can't really see. I'll put the phone down. Here you go. As you can probably see, this dog does need a bath. She does need some grooming, so this couldn't have come at a better time. But yeah, look at all these attachments. So my overall opinion of this is spectacular. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna love this. I mean, first of all, I love the vacuum part. I mean, I just love the vacuum part. I'm gonna put a little picture here of my husband when he groomed my Yorkie and how all the hair was just all over the floor. And it's funny because it can make another dog as much hair came off that dog. Now, we didn't have this grooming kit when my husband, you know, cut her hair, shaved her down actually. So yeah, this would have saved a lot of cleanup and it probably would have been a lot easier. I love this. I love this so much. I will have the link to this and any other, you know, any discount codes that I might have. You guys go check this out. If you have pets, this will work on cats, dogs. I wonder if I could even use this on my rabbit. I bet I could. So yeah, love it. Anyway, that is my review of this product. You guys check it out and you won't regret it. And thank you so much to the company for providing this to me to review for you. And everyone, please leave a comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and thank you everyone for watching. Bye.